Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Panasonic model because menus differ slightly. This matters to find the auto mode flag. Once done, switch the indoor unit off at the wall and wait about 10 seconds to clear memory. Now use the remote, press and hold mode with temp up for 5 to 8 seconds to open the service menu. You need a steady hold. Quick taps won't register. This step exposes the setting that controls auto mode so you can change it. Once inside the service menu, navigate using mode and the temperature arrows until you see auto mode, M42, or a similar flag. This identifies the auto swing/auto mode control. You toggle the value with temp up or down. Typically 0 disables auto and 1 enables it, so set to 0 to remove auto mode. Make sure to record the original value. That way you can revert if needed. Also move cautiously. After you change the flag, confirm and save by pressing mode long or by powering the unit off and on. This ensures the controller writes the new value to memory. Then test by manually selecting cool or heat and adjusting fan speeds. If the unit stays in your manual selection, auto mode is successfully removed. If it reverts or behaves oddly, power down for 60 seconds and try again. Or revert the flag to the recorded original and repeat carefully. This usually fixes write or menu navigation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.